Guys, my name is Sohail Raza and you are watching my channel Raza Refrigeration in YouTube. So guys, आज का वीडियो बहुत ही इंटरेस्टिंग है आपके लिए। हिताची का एसी सर्विसिंग कैसे करें इस मैटर पे वीडियो बना हुआ है गाइस। बहुत ही पसंद आएगा आपको ये वीडियो और हिताची के ऊपर ही पहला वीडियो है मेरा और आप इस वीडियो में बहुत ही मज़ा लेंगे। इसमें सो गाइस इसमें जेट पंप सर्विसिंग हिताची एसी में जेट पंप सर्विसिंग कैसे करें इस मैटर पे ये वीडियो है। सो गाइस, वीडियो को शुरू करने से पहले मेरा आपसे रिक्वेस्ट है कि मेरे वीडियो को लाइक करें और मेरे चैनल को सब्सक्राइब करें और बेल आइकन जरूर दबाएं ताकि जो लेटेस्ट नोटिफिकेशन है वीडियो की वो आप तक जल्द से जल्द पहुंचे। सो गाइस, चलिए वीडियो शुरू करते हैं और देखते हैं जेट पंप सर्विसिंग हिताची एसी में कैसे होती है।
Close till I get up. Time is barely on our side. I don't wanna waste what's left. The storms we chase are leading us, and love is all we'll ever trust. Yeah, no, I don't wanna waste what's left. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, till my shadow turns to sun rays. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, and on we'll go.
yeah. Are we talking about losing control? I'ma show you how we lose control, baby. Watch this. Look, Marty Mark. Watch the way I start up. I've been going hard, but I can go way harder. Every beat I'm on, yeah, you know that I slaughter. And I'm always looking gorgeous, chilling with somebody's daughter. Yeah, she loving me. Say she love the way my chain sitting contemplate. And of course it says my name if you wondering. To let you know who's finna blow. Always win and check the scope. I'm only losing control. Oh,
I like losing control. I get high when I'm feeling my flow. My mind is focused and I'm ready to go. Ready to go. Nah, nah.
always win and check the scope. I'm only losing control. Oh.
I like losing control.
Over the edge, feel like I'm floating through the air. The pain I felt is paid for, all is said and done. Oh, I am restricted, fixed upon the web. I need to kick the habit that my mind is breathing in. Break out, I've got to see. Spent all my life holding all of it closely. I played it innocent, a feel of discontent. I'm finally facing it all, fearless. Burning the bridge that keeps us. I'm here and I'm fearless. Exaggerated, that's what you assume. The story's over now, I must conclude. I am conflicted, watching where I step still, hanging in the balance. Not the life I want to live, I want to take it all. Standing tall, fear I weighed the person you are.